Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got one of the best restored Mustangs in the country. I know that is a really tall order, but this car lives up to the challenge. It is incredible. If you can go to volocars.com, see all the pictures top to bottom, all the specs, pricing of this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. We also have plenty of ways to contact us on there. We have a whole staff of people here, and their job is to help you get your dream car. So whatever questions you have, you want more pictures, you want financing, you want shipping, let us help you. So contact us on the website, volocars.com. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos first as they come out. Let's take this for a spin, and I'll tell you what I'm talking about. It's a 1965 Mustang Convertible, absolutely gorgeous. This has everyone here talking about it. Our photographer just finished doing the pictures. He literally said to me he thinks this is the nicest car he's ever seen here. It was born a vintage Burgundy car. This is a newer Burgundy paint with a clear coat finish. It's more vibrant than the original Burgundy, so it's just gorgeous. It's like a piece of candy. It is polished so smooth, it looks like I could just dive right in there. It is like glass. It's deep. It's like glass every inch of it. I don't find any issue anywhere. The gaps are like a new Mercedes. Every panel, everything, the way everything fits, nothing's loose. It's all done meticulously. It is arrow straight. Again, the gaps are fantastic. I mean, it's incredible. So there's not enough adjectives to describe how nice this paint really is. The color is stunning. Brand new GT wheels. I love the red centers with the champagne inserts. BF Goodrich tires. They still have the nubs on the tread. This is a brand new restoration. There's hardly any miles on it. It has dual mirrors, and all of it is new. All the trim, the stainless trim, the windshield, even the wiper arms are polished. All beautiful. It's the original, completely rebuilt 289 motor, rebuilt carburetor, new alternator, fuel pump, the correct canister type fuel pump, meticulously detailed. The paint on the bottom of the hood is nicer than the paint on the exterior of my brand new car. I just love how these doors open and shut. That is nice. Door jambs are detailed, new hardware, latches, rubber, new sill plates. The interior is spotless. It's a white interior. It's like all one shade of white. It's immaculate. It doesn't need to be cleaned it's pure white. All the chrome, the ashtrays, the knobs, the cranks, the bezels sparkle. It's all new chrome. The steering wheel it's like ice. It's smooth and glossy. New visors, new mirror, new dash pad. Has a retro stereo fit right in the hole there. Trunk compartment is painted as nice as the exterior of the car. It's all a hard gloss, the same color. Everything's detailed. New gas tank, new mat. Has a brand new GT wheel still in the box with the nut that holds it down. Light works in the console and under the dash. Does have a power top. It's a black convertible top, all restored, of course. Has the pony floor mats, has seat belts in the front, has a full console, has new cushions in the seat. Even the seat springs are painted. If you open the door panels, inside there is restored. Everything, inside and out, is restored. Took them 3 years to do this car. It runs really well, feels really good too. Sometimes you can throw money at a car and replace all these parts, but the end result in this car is like, again, one of the best in the country. I've already seen the car up on the lift. We'll have pictures on our website, but the bottom of the car is immaculate. Every brake line, fuel line, everything is redone. It is a correct transmission for this car. It's a 4-speed, completely rebuilt. The rear end's completely rebuilt. The brakes, the wiring, there isn't anything that has not been restored on this car. So if you, I don't even want to touch the paint. I've been closing it by pushing on the emblems. So if you appreciate quality, and I don't mean a really good car, I don't mean better than most, I mean this literally has to be one of the best ones in the country. Again, our photographer said it's the best car he has seen here, and we've sold thousands of cars while he's been working here. So it's gorgeous, it's a 4-speed, far better than it was brand new. Go to volocars.com. They don't come along like this nice. We sell nice cars. This raised the bar. So visit the website. Any questions, let us know. Stay tuned. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got more videos coming. Thank you.